All right, here we go. Been a couple weeks or so. Had other things going on. Had to help my son work on his BMW. Also went to California for a while. Well, in a few days. But now I'm back on this for now. Got to install the Yella Terra rocker arms, which is that box there. Anyway, and the shaft rocker arms are right here. So I've been just going through and measuring, checking the geometry, um, figuring out which push rod length to use. So on the left here, I've got 7.375. On the right, I've got 7.400. Stock length is 7.400. What I found is when I put those in, number one cylinder, right here, what you're supposed to do, let me get my, where did I go? There it is. What you're supposed to do is tighten them down till there's no lash. So if I move this a little bit, see it's got a lash there. So you're supposed to tighten it down till the lash is gone. You can see it's starting to push on the spring on the lifter. So you tighten it down. Right there, there's some lash. Keep going till no lash. Same thing on this side. Lash right there. Tighten it down till no lash. At that point, you get your torque wrench. And you tighten these down kind of evenly. So what you do is you put the torque wrench on here. You put the torque wrench bar like up, and then you start turning it. Okay, turn it around to a half a turn. So your bar is now down the bottom. Then you move this over, do this the same, half a turn. You want to get, optimal is about 3/4 of a turn, and that will then, and it torques down to 25 foot-pounds. So when you turn it, if you don't get more than 3/4 of a turn and it torques at 25 foot-pounds, you're perfect to preload the lifters, because these are hydraulic roller lifters. So I tried it with the 7.400 length, and I was getting like one and eight, one and, not a quarter, but, half of a quarter, 1 1/8 turn, which seemed to be too much. So I put the shorter length in there, 3.750, and I get right around 3/4 of a turn on both. So I'm going to go with that, which is just, one size smaller or shorter on the push rods than stock, it seems like. But I'll be checking each one as I go down, actually in the firing order, and tighten these down. First one here's done. I know that this is the length I need, so I'll be tightening that one down, get it done, torquing it down 25 foot-pounds, and then I'll start on with the other ones. So that's basically what I've been doing. I just want to make sure this rocker arm and push rods, the valve train is the geometry and the length of the push rods are correct. And I think I've got it. So we'll get all those in, and then we'll be done with the valve train and all that, and I can start putting accessories and other things on it. So I'll get back with you when it's done.